Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we break down strategies and insights for businesses in the outsourcing industry. Today our focus is on one of the most important topics, that is strategies for acquiring international clients in the BPO industry. Whether you are running a BPO or thinking about venturing into the international market, this video is for you. The first strategy in acquiring international clients is to understand global landscape. You need to be aware of different markets, cultures, business practices in the region you are targeting. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential clients, their needs, and the competitive landscape. The second point is building a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Create a professional website showcasing your BPO services, success stories, and client testimonial. Leverage social media platforms to connect with businesses globally. Content marketing, thorough blogs, and informative posts can position your company as an industry expert. If you're getting some value from this video, consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. It really helps to grow the channel and I genuinely appreciate your support. Third point is attend industry conference and events. Attending international conferences and events in the BPO industry is a powerful strategy. It provides networking opportunity, allows you to showcase your services, and keeps you updated on industry trends. Building relationships at these events can open doors to potential clients and collaborations. You can find industry conference details on one of the website called 10times.com. Fourth point is offer multilingual support. When targeting international clients, offering multilingual support is a game changer. Many businesses prefer to work with BPOs that can cater to their customers in their native language. Having a team proficient in multiple languages enhances your competitiveness and broadens your client base. For those eager to go deeper in starting a contact center or BPO and acquiring international clients, you can consider joining my online executive program, and my website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. Details are in the description. Now, fifth point is about utilize referral programs. Word of mouth is powerful. Implementing a referral program encourages your satisfied clients to refer your services to other businesses. Offering incentives for successful referrals create a win-win situation and expands your client network through trusted recommendations. Sixth point is understand and comply with regulations. International business comes with diverse regulations. It's crucial to understand and comply with the legal and regulatory requirements of the countries you operate in. This builds trust with clients as they see your commitment to ethical and legal business practices. Now, in case if you have any questions related to BPO and contact center industry, you can reach out to me directly on WhatsApp. My number is +91 9511 841 495. Now, seventh point is leverage online platforms. Utilize online platforms to showcase your BPO services. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and specialized BPO directories connect businesses with service providers. Create compelling profiles, highlight your expertise, and actively bid on relative projects. Now, eighth point is provide exceptional customer service. Exceptional customer service is universal language. Prioritize delivering outstanding service to your existing clients. Satisfied clients are more likely to become long-term partners and refer your services to others. If you're looking for personal advice, you can book my meeting time slot on Zoom meetings directly on my website. My website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. You can check out the link in the description. So in this video, we discuss about essential strategies for acquiring international clients in the BPO industry. If you're a part of outsourcing industry and hungry for more insights, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps to create more content. Until next time, take care and keep expanding your BPO horizons.